You've heard CICD many times, but do you really know what it means? Let's clear it up. CI stands for continuous integration. Whenever a developer pushes code, it's automatically built, tested, and scanned for vulnerabilities. This helps catch bugs early and ensures every new change works well with the existing code base. Now, CD can mean two things: continuous delivery or continuous deployment. Continuous delivery: the pipeline runs all tests and prepares the build for release. But it stops before deployment and waits for manual approval. Think of it as the review step before release. Continuous deployment: here, there's no manual step. If all tests pass, the code is automatically deployed to production. Large companies often use continuous delivery for control and safety. Startups and SaaS products prefer continuous deployment for speed and agility. CI/CD pipelines are the backbone of modern DevOps, helping teams deliver high-quality code faster and with confidence. Like and subscribe for more videos.